So today was the day. After scrubbing launch back on Wednesday due to weather, NASA is finally launching two of its astronauts back into space aboard an American spacecraft. SpaceX's Dragon capsule carried Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley on a SpaceX Falcon 9 Heavy rocket in order to rendezvous with the International Space Station tomorrow after there's some testing in orbit. The last time NASA sent astronauts to space on an American spacecraft, which at that time was the Space Shuttle, was back in 2011. Since then, we have sent our astronauts to the International Space Station aboard Russian Soyuz spacecraft. After lack of funding and different directions for NASA, it seemed like their SLS, their Space Launch System, was never going to be finished. And it's still technically not completely ready, so SpaceX competed with other aeronautic contractors, like Boeing, and stepped in to fill the void after long and rigorous testing. While smaller than the legendary Saturn V that carried the Apollo astronauts to space and the moon, the Dragon capsule definitely looks more spacious and is updated for comfort compared to the command module. Only having 2 crew members instead of 3 probably also helps, I suppose. The Falcon 9 rocket returns back to Earth and is going to land vertically on a barge off the Atlantic coast. This makes it reusable instead of just jettisoned boosters and stages into the ocean like the Saturn V. While we're not stepping foot on another body in the solar system today, and we'll look to see what happens with NASA's Artemis program and a return to the moon, it is still a big day for NASA and a big day for a return to space for America. With all the issues plaguing us right now, literally and figuratively, at least we get one small ray of hope for the future.